Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mika and today I'm sharing with you a little art project. I found this wood door on IKEA and I thought it was really pretty, but I decided to spice it up in my own touch, and I painted it with my favorite colors. So yeah, that's what this video is about. And I ended up changing at the end some stuff, and I added a smile. Yay, it's a happy doll. And I get the feeling that this doll is gonna change looks continuously. You know, whenever I get tired of something, I just paint it again, like my hair. And I don't know, that's it. Chill with me doing this little art side project. So that was all for today, guys. I hope you like it and enjoy it and chill a bit. If you do this, tag me please on Instagram at the Rebel Neon. I would love to see your ideas because this can be customized in so many ways. So it's really fun. And it looks cute. Actually, I like how it is, the final outcome. And since I'm gonna be having hopefully a new desk soon, I wanted to have something very mine to put on top of it, and this is it. So Stay tuned for the next video. There are more pen reviews coming, actually, book reviews as well, and desk tours and pen collection hauls and stuff like that. So see you on the next one.